Number 1. 1953 Chevrolet 3100 short bed, $6,250, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1953 Chevrolet 3100 short bed is a desirable early post-war pickup that remains largely original and unmodified. It is powered by the factory 216 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. The engine is currently seized and the truck is not running, positioning it as a restoration project rather than a driver. As a longtime New Mexico truck, it benefits from very minimal rust, which significantly adds to its value. With a clean title and strong originality, it provides an excellent base for a correct restoration or a well-planned resto mod. Number 2. 1971 GMC long bed half-ton two-wheel drive, $8,000, Newberg, Oregon. This 1971 GMC long bed half-ton pickup represents a clean and honest example of early 70s General Motors truck design. It is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission sourced from a Chevrolet S10, improving drivability while maintaining classic character. Showing 125,000 miles, the truck runs and drives well and has benefited from numerous new parts. The body is reported to be rust-free, a notable advantage for a Pacific Northwest truck. This is a practical classic suitable for regular driving, light hauling, or weekend use. Number 3. 1968 Ford F350 Dually, $1,850, Los Angeles, California. This 1968 Ford F350 Dually is a heavy-duty classic truck offered as a budget-friendly project. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it reportedly ran about a year ago, and the engine still turns over. The truck has no key and no title due to abandonment, requiring a lost title process. The odometer is broken and mileage is unknown. With good tires and a solid drivetrain core, it is best suited for experienced buyers looking for a restoration project, custom build, or parts donor. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet C10 LS SWAPPED, $13,100, Memphis, Missouri. This 1987 Chevrolet C10 is a professionally executed resto mod, combining classic square body styling with modern performance. It features a 5.3-liter LS V8 engine with approximately 70,000 miles, paired with a remanufactured 4L60E automatic transmission. The truck is described as extremely clean, reliable, and enjoyable to drive, with upgraded brakes and steering for improved handling. With no oil leaks and extensive mechanical updates, this C10 offers turnkey usability and strong value in today's resto mod market. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet K10 Diesel long bed square body, $8,000, San Diego, California. This 1983 Chevrolet K10 is powered by a factory 6.2-liter diesel V8 engine and features 4-wheel drive, making it a unique square body offering. As a diesel model, it is exempt from emissions testing, adding flexibility for future modifications. The truck includes Silverado trim, dual-side saddle fuel tanks, and a 6-foot bed. While it carries a salvage title and shows cosmetic wear, it runs and drives well and retains many original features. This K10 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a rugged diesel classic with 4-wheel drive capability. Number 6. 1978 Ford F250 Ranger XLT Super Cab 4-wheel drive, $14,000, Sparks, Nevada. This 1978 Ford F250 Ranger XLT is a well-preserved heavy-duty pickup showing just over 54,000 original miles. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, it is equipped with factory air conditioning and cruise control, making it a high-option example for its era. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, new fuel tank, and upgraded steering and braking components. The interior is in excellent condition, and the body shows minimal rust. This truck is well suited for collectors seeking originality with real-world usability. Number 7. 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne 4-wheel drive long bed, $12,000, Madera, California. This 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne is a desirable 4-wheel drive half-ton pickup with a clean title and no emissions requirements. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck runs, though the engine is described as weak, suggesting future mechanical attention. Equipped with factory power disc brakes and a dual-range transfer case, it provides a solid platform for restoration or drivetrain upgrades. Its documentation and classic styling make it a strong candidate for a serious build. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 20 with 7.4-liter 454, $12,000, Tigard, Oregon. This 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 20 is a big-block powered classic, featuring the legendary 7.4-liter 454 V8 engine. It retains its original red paint and has received a recent tune-up, including a new Edelbrock carburetor and updated ignition components. Showing 99,000 miles, the truck runs strong and delivers excellent throttle response. While the interior needs cosmetic attention, it is mechanically sound and offers impressive towing and performance capability. Number 9. 1946 Dodge Pickup Custom Mad Max, $18,500, Prescott, Arizona. This 1946 Dodge Pickup is a fully custom build designed as rolling automotive art. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it features extensive fabrication, relocated components, and aggressive post-apocalyptic styling. Custom gauges, exposed intake, side exhaust, and unique interior details make this truck truly one of a kind. With a clean title and excellent condition, it is best suited for collectors who prioritize creativity, show presence, and individuality. Number 10. 1988 Toyota 4-wheel drive 5-speed, $12,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1988 Toyota single-cab 4-wheel drive pickup is an increasingly collectible example of late 80s Japanese trucks. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers dependable performance and smooth drivability. As an Arizona truck, it is rust-free and remains unmodified. With working air conditioning and heater, it is well suited for daily driving, off-road use, or long-term investment as classic Toyota truck values continue to rise. Number 11. 1937 GMC T14 half-ton pickup, $17,000, Gig Harbor, Washington. This 1937 GMC T14 half-ton pickup is a rare and highly original pre-war truck that remains running and driving. It is powered by its original flathead 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed non-synchronized manual transmission. Over the years, it has received extensive maintenance, including a new copper radiator core and rebuilt ignition components. The truck includes many spare parts and retains period-correct wheels and tires, making it an exceptional opportunity for collectors seeking authentic, early American truck history. Number 12. 1990 Ford F150 four-wheel drive, $900, Elk, Washington. This 1990 Ford F150 is an affordable entry into classic four-wheel drive ownership. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, it features a straight body and a clean interior. The transmission is weak, the truck has been sitting, and it does not currently have a title, requiring registration work. At this price point, it represents a solid project truck or parts candidate with strong mechanical potential. Number 13. 1978 Dodge D200 Club Cab 360 V8, $8,500, San Antonio, Texas. This one-owner 1978 Dodge D200 Club Cab is a well-maintained classic truck with documented original mileage. Powered by a 5.9-liter 360 V8 engine, it runs and drives smoothly and displays an honest, attractive patina. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, cleaned fuel system, new ignition components, and brand new tires. While the bed shows rust and the rear brakes need attention, the truck remains a solid driver with a clean Texas title, suitable for preservation or light restoration.